Am I in focus? Am I? Yes, I am. Okay. Wow, this lighting makes me look really freaking pale. I'm like as white as my wall. Oh, do you like my nails, by the way? I got them done for prom. Hey guys, Lexi Lou here, and so today we are going to be doing a little chit chat, new products, try on type of thing. I just figured I haven't videotaped in a long time. I planned on doing it a couple days ago and I got sick. I'm still kind of sick, but I've been on antibiotics, so I'm kind of better. My throat hurts to talk, but we're getting there. Today, I'm going to be starting off with two new products that I have. I have the Farsali Unicorn Essence John, and I have the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, which is to prime, set, and refresh. Oh! I also forgot I have this new Farsali ingredient. The jelly thing. It's been out for a while and like everyone uses it, but like... It's okay, guys. It's all good. It like loops around. Jelly glob. Jiggle jiggle. It's just such cute packaging. It's gold. And then like look at the bottom of it. Ooh, pretty. We're gonna do the Instagram thing. Let me just wipe this in. It smells really weird, to be completely honest. I don't like the smell at all. It's a bit too sweet and weird, but I heard their products always smell weird. So I changed the angle a little bit. Sorry about that, but I like this angle a lot better because you can see my face more. It looks really hideous right now, so let's get into this. Now that we are done with the Unicorn Primer, I'm going to go in with the Jelly Beam Highlighter thingy majabber. Illuminizer. And I guess I'm just going to dab this around my face. I'm just going to rub it in. The beach is glowy, yes! I must say the only hard part is this lid. It's giving me like the most of a struggle. Next we are going to be going in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. I've used this a couple times now. I got it sample first and I actually really like it. I feel like it gets rid of your pores. I don't know how, but I swear it does. Alright, so this isn't a new product, but it's the only concealer I use. So we're just gonna pop this B on. Wrong side of the mirror. But I do have something new. I have the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the shade Shadow. I was debating on either getting this or Fenty Beauty Contour Sticks, and they're the same price, and the lady was like, this one's way better. So I got this. Let's blend this out first. So I'm going to be going in with the stick foundation. Let's see how this works. I don't really do cream contour, so I'm gonna do a very light layer to start with. Alright, now that we are a little bit contoured, we are going to set the face. This is not a new powder. Obviously, I use this all the time, but what can I say? When something works, it works. The weirdest thing just happened on my lip. Of the jelly powder like came up, which is weird. Okay, anyway, I don't feel like contouring that much today, seeing as it's really hot out for like the first time in forever. I just want to be a bronze goddess, so I spent 50 bucks on this baby right here. This is what it looks like. Hallelujah. Oh, that mirror though. Right. It smells like sunscreen and coconuts. Don't know how I feel about that, but we are going to bronze the skin. I am in love with this. I have been using Hoola bronzer, like, it was my first bronzer ever. It's all I've ever used. Stepping out of my comfort zone and putting on a new bronzer was amazing. Alright, so we are going to refresh our skin with the 3-in-1. Smells like more coconuts. Oh my god, it's stinging my nose. For highlight today, we are going to be using the Jelly John again, because everyone uses it and it just looks so pretty on all of them that I want to look pretty too, so... I'm just going to blend that a little bit with my beauty blender. I don't know, I feel like it could blend in a little bit better. Okay, one thing I noticed is it's really weird around the lip area. Don't put it near your lip because it like takes off stuff around your lip. What the heck? Alright, this is the weirdest thing ever. But now we are going to put on blush, Milani Luminoso, because I just feel like being a beautiful pink blush bitch today, so... now that sister is baking, I won't be doing eyes because I don't have any new eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes, so I'm just gonna do my brows real fast. This is the Goof Proof Pow. I don't know if this is my shade, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so thoughts on this brow. I don't like the Goof Proof because it's too thick. The color is not bad. It looks warm on the camera, like in my viewfinder, but in person, it looks like it matches. It's just kind of weird. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow, and then for the spots I need to fill in, I'm just going to fill in with my brow wiz. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I did a sunset kind of vibey look, like orange with a halo eye of Ofra Cosmetics glazed donut in the middle, and pink underneath with a little wing. I was thinking about doing lashes, but I don't know, I kind of like it like this. I'm going to be putting on my new Velour liquid lip scrub, and it's blue raspberry. Yummy. So I'm going to take that. There's no way I'm going to be able to get through this whole jar of lip scrub. And today, lastly, I'm going to be using the Fenty lip balm in the shade Fenty Glow. This isn't new, but I think it's going to look really pretty with these eyes. So with the Too Faced Hangover RX. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. My other social medias will be linked down below so we can be friends. I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys. It's like the ocean and the sun.